Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Redmi 13X. Okay, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So first, and the most common method, is a simple reboot using the power menu. To do it, we need to simply open up the menu by clicking the power button and the volume up button at the same time, just like that. Now simply drag this white ball into the reboot and release your finger. After a few seconds, the device will be turned on again automatically, and it will be ready to use. This method is of course recommended when you have access to the phone and when the phone is responsive. And now let's go to the second method, which is called the forced restart, and it's recommended when the first option doesn't want to work, for example when the screen is unresponsive, or for example when the device is lagged. Now to perform the reset, we need to use the power button and volume up button, and we need to hold them for a few seconds. I'll grab the device more comfortably. Keep holding power button and volume up. Okay, keep holding. And when the logo appears, we can release our fingers, and within a second the device will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.